Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a Valentina, tanti auguri a te, kisses.
Ciao! Ciao Valentina! Happy birthday! I'm really happy to see you. Okay, I don't see you, whatever. But I want to say you that bacio, 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 and abbraccio, abbraccio, abbraccio. And I really miss you, and I hope to see you, really you, in Milano on 3rd of December. So please have a big, like this big party tonight. And I hope it's really sunny there. And please, 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 have fun today, okay? Yeah, you. That's you, that's you. Okay, ciao.
Ciao, Wally. Me and Bruna, we sent a lot of kisses and abbraccios for you and your birthday, and we really hope that you're having a lot of fun. And we want to wish you to stay the same person, the awesome person, the strong and the sensitive and the really, really sweet person that you are. Enjoy this day and have a lot of fun because you have finished your season and you have a lot of free time right now, and you can enjoy yourself and enjoy the free time in Greece together with the lovely people around you that are over there. And me and Bruno, we are going to have a party tonight as well. Party! And he's very happy. He's like all the time like this. You see, I can't control him. So, okay, I'm so weird, I know. And people are watching right now. I'm in Riga, by the way. This is Riga. And this video is for you. And kisses for you. See you very soon. Mwah, ciao.